Vocal shortcuts are great as they let you perform the desired actions faster and more conveniently through custom phrases. As there is no restriction at all, you can create as many vocal shortcuts as you need. At any time, if you want to get rid of any unwanted vocal shortcut, you can do so without any hassle either. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this hands-on guide. To get started, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down a bit and choose Accessibility. Then head over to the Speech section and select Vocal Shortcuts. Now on the screen you should see all the vocal shortcuts that you have created. Then you have to tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the red minus button to the left of the shortcut that you want to get rid of. And finally tap on the delete button to confirm the action and you are good to go. You can follow the same steps to get rid of all the useless vocal shortcuts that you don't need anymore. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.